My software fellows, this is a July edition of my work to you on Techstamina. Well, this month I would like to draw your attention to three things actually. The first one is a very important article which I have recently published on InfoCube. This is the third in a series about my passion now, which is people re-engineering. If you haven't read about people re-engineering, you can read about it either here, search the site and you find it, and I advise you also very warmly to go to InfoCube and read the series of articles published so far about the concept. Simply, it's my answer to what's happening now as the digital revolution. So it's a kind of people revolution, software people revolution that must go in tandem with this new tsunami coming into the industry. This article, this third article, takes special importance because it touches the heart of the thing, and the heart of the people issues actually, which is leadership enablement. It's not just leadership. It's leadership enablement, and that to me, I hope to you, what makes it interesting. So just please go and find it and read it. Maybe you discuss it. I would be very glad to get in touch with you for any discussion. You will find the link, of course, in this post. That's number one. Number two, I have published in the process section the second of two article series about process anomalies, things that we forget how dangerous they are to our practice, and we do. The first was about the way we look to the process, the way we adore the process sometimes and forget about why we are implementing it. So that was the first anomaly. The second anomaly, again, it sounds very interesting. It's about how we should see success. We used to talk a lot about how we should see failure. This time it's about some wrong views on success that we usually used to fall in. That's number two, so go to the process section and find this article, which is about anomaly number two in our practice with process, software development process. The third thing which I expect to happen this month also was left behind, unfortunately, from June. I promised this promised you this in June, but it didn't happen. I hope I can do it this time, and it will take a good part of my effort on Techstamina. It's about bridging the generational divide in software teams, between teams, managers, leaders, everybody in the software organization. Again, I see this very important. Why? Especially when you go to that hectic mode of operation that we are in right now because of the drastic changes that are happening in our tools, our technology, our customer moods, and all of that. So bridging that divide is a very important thing that every manager and leader in software organization has to pay attention to and try to bridge. So these are the three things for this month. I hope you get in touch and get the benefit, some good benefit out of that. Again, I'm very glad to receive any mails or discussions about any of these subjects anytime. Thank you very much.